Hey everybody, here is the Hippie Hemi. Getting pretty close to getting this one done. I figured I'd share it a little bit since I haven't been really doing many videos. Do a little update on it. I do have all the decals done. I went with the I guess it's kind of like a drag monster, alligator, crocodile look to it. Got the clear on it, so it's really just in the final stages of the assembly. Really don't get to see much of the top. There's that. So now that I cut that off, and to get that seam, I got a damn seam up front. So I'm kind of thinking that the only way to get this to look right is if you just seal the whole thing up and just was happy with that, because if it's all lined up, you got that big of a gap. So it probably would have tucked that up all up in there. But I mean, I had all this stuff in here. And it actually came with a lot of detailed parts to the kit that I didn't want to cover up. Like, one is the clear oil pan. If you look real closely, you can see it. And then it actually came with some rubber hoses and everything. So all this would have been hidden. It actually came with a rubber belt too. So it's got the hose going to the fuel pump. It's got the rubber hose. So it was a pretty nice kit for what came in it. But now that I cut that, I got that gap up there up front. So don't pay attention to details, I end up getting screwed up. So that's just it. It's just really warped up front, and I think I should just end up gluing everything together and just say hell with it. So I still got some work, kind of getting aggravated with it. That's the window. I was going to paint it clear green, but I'll probably just screw that up and make it look like shit anyhow, so I'm going to keep it clear. I'm going to do some washes on it, get some carbon on the exhaust, and do a little detail to the parachute. Got to paint red into the blowers. Get them butterfly valve in there, painted red. But the decals in this kit were really good. They turned out nice. I put silver on that, and it does come with decals for all them pieces, but I just end up painting them. So there's a little update with this. Should have had a final not too long ago, or too long from now, as long as it don't aggravate me. I think this piece is actually warped, but it seems like all these damn rail kits, they all warped to hell. Just too thin. If I just set it like that. And then this one actually comes with a little sign, and I think this is what it's for. It's for covering that up. So you put it there. Now you can't see it. So that's probably why I put this in the kit, just to cover up that shit. Huh. Well, that's it. I hope you guys have a great one. Until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.